The question is in the form of product of two functions. So integration of products of two functions can be calculated by using the by parts method. So in by parts integration of integration of the function who are in the product form. Let's say fx is the first function and gx is the second function. Then the integration of the overall expression will be fx integration gx dx minus integration f dash x integration gx dx of dx. So this is the by parts method. Let's take x to be here. Two functions are x and cosx. Let's take first function fx to be x and second function to be gx equals to cosx. Then integration of x cos x dx will be fx x integration gx dx, which is cos x dx, minus integration of f dash x. So fx is cos x, then from here I can write f dash x will be 1. So here it will be 1 dot integration of cos x dx and then dx. So it will be x cosec integration of cos x dx is sin x and minus integration. Here integration of cos x dx is sin x, so sin x multiply by 1, which is sin x dx. So I'll get x sin x minus integration of sin x dx will be minus of cos x. So our answer will be x sin x plus cos x plus c is the integration constant. So this will be our answer.